So when you're in the outdoors, your first line of defense is your clothing, and it is what is key to regulating your body temperature. And the name of the game is to conserve your body heat, as it is actually the only thing that keeps you warm and keeps your body regulated. So when you're in the wilderness, layers is key. Layers are the name of the game, and that's what prevents over sweating and also losing body heat. So how we layer it is with different layers. So the first one is called the base layer, then we go the shirt, so the secondary layer, and then the insulator, and then the outer shell. So the first layer you want to wear, especially in cold weather, is called a base layer, and this is usually synthetic material that is really tight fitting. And what this does is it reflects your body heat back in on itself, so basically insulating it the best it can. And then on top of that, we have our basic shirt. Ideally you want to have a synthetic shirt or second layer, due to how cotton retains water, and we don't want any water on us, as it can make us colder. So then the third layer is called the insulator. Now this is usually cotton or fleece. It's a type of jacket, and this is really good at, again, insulating us and keeping our body heat redirected towards us. And it's really breathable. However, the only downside is this is not very good at wicking away water. So when it does get wet, it will retain water, which will make us colder. Which is why we need our base layer, which is a hard shell where its main goal is to shield us from water and wind, both of which take away our heat immensely. So add these all together, and you form a really strong shell to prevent wind and water and the cold from taking your body's energy and your heat. And just a side note is, oftentimes we want to wear wool socks when we're in the wilderness, because wool is a great it's very hydrophobic, so it brings water to the surface, keeping your feet nice and warm. Yeah, thanks.